Hi guys, may share ako sa inyo na pinagkakaabalahan ko lately. Kasi aside from affiliate marketing, gusto ko ng another side hustle or another source of income. And this one is a passive income din. So guys, have you heard of selling digital products online? Siguro aware na din kayo dito since madami na ding influencers or TikTokers na nakikita din natin dito sa FYP natin na gumagawa ng digital products and binibenta online. Pero ano nga ba yung digital products? So basically, digital products are anything that exists in a digital format like ebooks, courses, templates, and printables. They're not physical products that you can hold in your hands, but instead, they are created, stored, and distributed electronically. So meaning, kahit sino ka man or kahit nasaang man lupalop ka man ng mundo, pwede mo siyang i-purchase and i-access online. So meaning,